Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly Bakliwal and I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion videos. If you are interested in any of these, you might want to check out my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the topic of today's video, which is vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is a really popular ingredient nowadays for brightening up your skin. Now, how does a vitamin C can help you? Vitamin C helps to protect you from sun damage. It helps to reduce the dark spots. It helps to reduce the wrinkles and aging as well. It also protects your skin from any signs of free radical damage, and the list never ends. Without wasting the time, let's see what you can do with vitamin C and what you should avoid while you're using a vitamin C. First of all, how to use a vitamin C and how much to use a vitamin C. Now, if you're using vitamin C for the first time, it is really good you start with a 5 or 10% maximum, or you can start with a toner or a face wash or a moisturizer as well. You don't want to start your vitamin C journey with a 15% vitamin C, 20% vitamin C or 25. The perfect percentage to start a vitamin C journey is 5 to 10%. We are humans and we can be allergic to anything. Most people are not allergic with aloe vera, but I am. So I cannot use a direct aloe vera on my skin, but I am able to use it in the products if they have, because nowadays every single product has aloe vera because of its great properties. As I am allergic to aloe vera, I might be allergic to vitamin C, so it is really good for me to do a patch test first and then I'll start the vitamin C journey. I don't want to ruin my skin anymore if my skin is already ruined, if that makes sense. You should have to do a patch test with all the ingredients you're using, especially if you're using any active ingredient. You should never ever start with a whole range of vitamin C, because nowadays brands are coming with a full range of vitamin C. It is really good to incorporate a particular product at a time and do not mix your active ingredients at all. If you're using vitamin C in the morning, don't use it in the night. You can use a salicylic acid in the night. That's how you can layer your ingredients. If you're using vitamin C for the first time, you can start with 1 time a week, then gradually move on to 2 times a week, then 3, then 4, and eventually you can use it every single day. Always check what kind of vitamin C you are using. L-ascorbic acid is the most potent vitamin C available in the market, but it is the most unstable one in the market. And some of the other vitamin C derivatives are ethyl ascorbic acid, which are not as potent as L-ascorbic acid, but they are more stable, so you are going to do much good to your skin gradually if you're using an stabilized vitamin C serum and not unstable vitamin C serum, even though it is more potent to give you the results that you want. But you will get the results from stabilized vitamin C serum, even though it is not as potent eventually when you are using it religiously. Now, there are 2 types of vitamin C which are water soluble and anhydrous, which are not water soluble. Water soluble vitamin C's are more likely to get oxidized when comes in contact with sun, so they are mostly formulated in a dark container so that they can be prevented through the sun, and the unwater soluble one are really good to go. But it's a really good practice to keep your vitamin C's in a very dark and cool place so that you can use them properly, and it will be good for your skin as well. If vitamin C is oxidized, it is not going to do anything for your skin. You're just using it for nothing. So it's better to keep it in a nice place so that you can get the benefits of vitamin C if you're using one. And the most important thing of all of this, do not forget to use your SPF if you're using a vitamin C serum, and it is really good, and vitamin C are more effective in the morning if you're using a SPF with it. So it is really good and not harmful for you to use an SPF anyways even if you are not using a vitamin C serum. This combination actually neutralizes the free radical damage that are caused by the sun, and it helps your skin in the longer run. Now let's talk about what can be mixed with vitamin C and what cannot be mixed with vitamin C. Actually, you shouldn't be mixing your active ingredients anyways, but if you are going to mix them, keep in mind that you cannot mix retinols, benzyl peroxide, and you should not use 100% vitamin C products in your skincare routine, like the vitamin C 100% vitamin C powders that you get in the market. Now, why retinol and vitamin C cannot be mixed? Because they both work in a different pH level within your skin, so they do tend to get your skin very sensitized. And why shouldn't you mix benzyl peroxide? Because that is an acne fighting treatment and that can sensitize your skin. You shouldn't be using AHAs and BHAs with vitamin C as well, because they are also going to exfoliate your skin, and you don't wanna put vitamin C to an exfoliated skin. It is going to oxidize the vitamin C and it is not going to do anything. So it is better to keep your vitamin C in the morning and use your exfoliating agents in the night. You can use vitamin C with the niacinamide, but only when you have moved further to your skincare journey. My favorite vitamin C serum is the Plum's Mandarin and vitamin C serum. It has 15% vitamin C serum and it has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a stable form of vitamin C available in the market. It's a water soluble product, so that is why it is in a dark container, and I always keep it in a dark place. And this is how the product looks like. It has aloe vera base. It is a very lightweight serum that does not clog your pores, sinks into your skin super fast, and you have to use a sunscreen after this. Do not forget. Now, you should not start with a whole range of vitamin C. You can start with a face wash or a moisturizer, but I would ideally like you to start with one or other of these products. When you finish them, then you can move on to the vitamin C serum, because when you're using a vitamin C products like a face wash, toner or moisturizer, you are making your skin really habitual to a vitamin C product so that you can move on to a higher percentage of product. Now, these products do not have that much quantity of vitamin C, but they do have, so do not forget that you cannot mix those products that I already told you. This vitamin C face wash has, I think, 2% of vitamin C, and this has 3% of vitamin C. So you can start with the face wash. It is a really good face wash. It is a foaming face wash. The only thing is that the foam dries up super quickly, which I don't like. I don't feel that it is cleaning my skin. I know it is cleaning, but you know that mindset, if the foam dies, your skin might not be cleaned. But other than that, it is a really good face wash. This is how the moisturizer looks like. A really good packaging in my opinion. It is again a really good lightweight moisturizer. If you have oily, dry, combination skin, any skin type, you can use it. You should always use an SPF after this, after you have used any kind of active ingredient. My favorite sunscreen is this one currently. This is from Minimalist. It is the multivitamin SPF 50 sunscreen. It has a broad spectrum of sunscreen. The minimum range of sunscreen that you should anyways is 50. You can go further and use 60 or 70, but I like to stick to the 51 and it works fine for me. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button. It helps me a lot and it motivates me a lot. And if you like my vibe, if you like the video that I make, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will get notified. So with that, it's a wrap, and do not forget, if you have any query, you can comment down below and I will be replying you as soon as possible. Bye.